Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Academic Search Complete and how to refine your search using Boolean operators and truncation. Academic Search Complete is a database that is designed for academic institutions. This database is a leading resource for scholarly research. It provides citations to and full text of over 8,500 journals and magazines, including more than 7,300 peer-reviewed journals. It covers a wide range of academic subjects, including the arts, humanities, social services, sciences, technology, and more. We'll begin at the University of Rhode Island Library homepage to access Academic Search Complete. Let's start by scrolling down below the search bar and click on the tab for Articles and Databases. University of Rhode Island subscribes to 338 different databases, and they're listed alphabetically. Academic Search Complete is easily accessible as it's the first database listed. Today, my research question is, what are the effects that meditation and mindfulness have on the skin condition psoriasis? My first search terms are going to be meditation or mindfulness. My second search term is going to be psoriasis. And then my third term is going to be effects. And I'm actually going to truncate the terms meditate and mindful so that I can get results for all different endings of the words, such as meditate, meditation, or meditates, as well as mindful or mindfulness. Psoriasis is a general term. There are many different types, but right now I'm going to focus on keeping that just as psoriasis in general. And my third search term is effects. I'm going to truncate that as well to search all different endings of the word, such as effects, effective, or effectiveness. There are 29 initial results. You can see here that the results are automatically sorted by newest. I'm going to change how the results are sorted to relevance so that this will show me that the articles that are most likely to help my research. The column on the left provides us with limiters, which will help us to refine our search further. I will select the limiter for peer-reviewed journals. Peer-reviewed articles are reviewed by other scholars in the same field before the article is published, which adds an additional level of credibility and accuracy to the document. You can also look at the tab Subject Thesaurus term. I like to expand this tab to see what other terms are associated with the words in my initial search. This can help me to further narrow the terms. However, I'm not interested in specific types of therapy, such as cognitive therapy, so I'll not be selecting any of these limiters. I am going to scroll down and select the limiter for language and click on English. So I am going to select this first article. It looks like it could be helpful to my research. You have access to the detailed record here. It lists the authors, the source, what type of document it is, and any of the subject terms. The abstract provides the main points of the article, and it can be a helpful starting point in assessing if the article will be applicable to your research. You'll find additional tools in the right-hand column where you can add the article to a folder. You can print the article, email it, save it, just to name a few of the functions. On the left-hand side, this column here is where you can see search URI libraries for access to the full article. I'm going to click on that and a new window will open. And this is where you can choose how you would like to open the article. I'm going to click on Download PDF to my computer so that I'll be able to review the article in its entirety in the future. So here is the full article, and then you can click on this icon to download it to your computer. And now I will close this window to go back to the previous page. It's important to know that when doing research on Academic Search Complete that the web address at the top is not permanent. If you highlight and save the address for future reference, you'll be given an error message that the site cannot be found. In order to prevent this from happening, you can click on the link to the right, permanent link or permalink. A permanent link will then appear at the top of the page, and you can save this web address for future access. I hope that this short introduction to Academic Search Complete and Boolean operators and truncation has been helpful. Thanks so much for watching.